Hello, friends. Have you heard about emotional equations? Now, this is a very interesting book which is written by Chip Conley, where he talks about certain emotions which we as professionals go through in on our work life. And in this book, he has given around 17 equations, which if you closely observe, there are some things, or these are equations related to the events which happen at a workplace. So I'm very excited to inform you all that as a part of the upcoming Unicom conference happening in Pune in the month of July, I will be doing a real-time workshop on these 17 equations. The name of the workshop, as you can read here, is Architecting and Testing the Power of Emotional Equations. So in this workshop, I'll be taking some real life scenarios which we encounter at workplace, and we will expect the participants to work on these real time scenarios related to situations at workplace and come out with a kind of an emotional equation which will help us solve these emotional dilemmas which we face at workplace. So there are around 3 to 4 scenarios which I'll be covering as a part of this emotional equation workshop. So I would request all of you to please register for this conference, get the benefit of this seminar, and leverage the power of emotional equations in your day-to-day life. This is Ashutosh Bhattodekar signing off for the moment. Looking forward to see all of you there. Thank you.